This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth, and the Pump Station and Nursery. And we're going to show you on the Clek Liing Base how to do the latch installation using the rigid latch that the base comes with. Now, before we do anything, I always remind you to read the manual of your car seat so that way you know how your car seat operates in your specific vehicle, because one installation is not the same in every car. Let's begin. The first thing we got to do is we need to release the load leg from under the base. This is an extra safety feature that Clek recommends using whenever possible. We're going to pop this out, and we'll adjust this a little bit later. Because we're using the rigid latch system, we need to find the latches in our vehicle. In my car, there are these buttons that have a picture of a car seat. And right below the button, there's these openings. And inside the openings is the metal latch bar. If you cannot find them in your vehicle, check your vehicle manual. They'll tell you exactly where they are and what seats they're in. So that way you know exactly where you can connect it to. The rigid latches are actually on the base themselves. This is what connects to the latch system in your vehicle. And the way to get them out is with these white buttons here. There's one for each side. You need to pull back the button. You're going to see a red square. That's going to unlock the connectors, so then we can pull it all the way out. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Pull the white button back to reveal the red square. That means it's unlocked and we can extend it. As you can see on the side of the rigid latch connectors, the window is currently red. Once we actually attach it to the vehicle, that window is going to turn green to let you know it's connected correctly. And there is a separate window for each connector. I'm going to do the farthest side first. All right, we've got green. Now this side, we've got green. Now that both sides are showing green to let us know it's actually attached to the latch bars, we need to push the base in. You're going to get behind the base. We're going to push down on the white buttons to unlock them. And now we can push the base into the vehicle seat. You're going to hear a ratcheting sound as it continues to tighten and compress into the vehicle seat. The way to know this is snug enough is with one hand, you're going to grab near the blue. You can grab either side, and you only need to use one hand and grab one side. All you're looking for is an inch of movement. As long as the base does not slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, more than an inch, then you know it's tight enough. Also, the white triggers here should be completely white. You should not see any of the red. If you see the red square, push in a little bit more to get it locked in place so that way the red is not showing. Next, we need to adjust the load leg. The load leg is going to be extended all the way down to the floor. And when it is, the window down here is going to turn from red to green. So this white panel needs to be pulled out away from the leg. That'll let us extend the leg out to the ground. And we need to make sure that the window is all green. Okay. Once we got all green, we know the leg's at the right position. Finally, we need to adjust a recline. To adjust a recline, we're going to look at the bubble indicator on the base. There are 3 different sections. For a newborn, the bubble has to be in the first range, which is between a child who's between 4 and 11 pounds. Once the child's over 11 pounds, it needs to be adjusted so it's in the range between 11 and 35 pounds. When the child is over 22 pounds, you have the option to sit them at the most upright position. This last section is 22 to 35 pounds. If the angle is not at the right position, you're going to squeeze this white button here. You're going to slide the base. And as you're adjusting the recline, the bubble is moving. So when you install this car seat, the only way to get an accurate reading is if you're parked on a flat surface. If you're parked on a hill, the bubble indicator is not going to give you an accurate reading. Now that the car seat is snug, the leg is extended to the ground, and the angle's in the right position, we can now click the car seat into the base. Right now, the back of the base here is showing red because nothing is attached yet. Once the car seat clicks in, the red is going to disappear. Clek wants the handlebar at the most upright position, so make sure you put it here. If it's not here, you can squeeze the white button. There's one on both sides of the car seat. You have to squeeze them both to adjust the angle. When you're ready to remove the car seat from the base, there are two buttons on the back of the base. They both need to be held. So where my thumb is, you're going to squeeze that. Where my fingers are, you're going to lift up. So as you're squeezing and pulling up, you can remove the car seat. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.